How to use the 2025 stock market crash to become rich. Market crashes can be terrifying, but for the smart investor, they also present a once-in-a-decade opportunity. While many people panic and sell at a loss, the financially literate see a crash as a chance to build wealth. If you approach the 2025 stock market crash with the right mindset and strategy, it could be the stepping stone to becoming rich. 1. Stay calm and think long-term. The first rule is not to panic. During a crash, prices drop sharply, and fear spreads quickly. However, history shows that markets always recover over time. Instead of selling, smart investors look for valuable companies trading at a discount. The goal is not short-term gain, but long-term wealth. 2. Buy quality stocks at a discount. Crashes bring down the prices of even the strongest companies. This is your chance to buy blue-chip or fundamentally strong stocks at bargain prices. Think of it like a clearance sale. Use this opportunity to invest in companies with solid business models, consistent profits, and low debt. 3. Follow the buy low, sell high rule. Most people do the opposite. They buy when prices are high, out of excitement, and sell when prices drop, out of fear. To become rich, you must reverse that mindset. A crash is the low point you've been waiting for. If you invest wisely now, you'll be in a great position when the market recovers. 4. Invest in index funds. If you're not confident picking individual stocks, consider index funds like the S&P 500 or ETFs. These funds spread your risk across many companies and tend to recover strongly after a crash. Over time, they deliver consistent returns. 5. Keep cash ready, dry powder. Smart investors keep a portion of their portfolio in cash to take advantage of crashes. If all your money is already invested, you can't buy more when prices drop. Keeping cash ready allows you to act quickly when opportunities arise. 6. Learn and stay informed. Don't invest blindly. Educate yourself on how markets work, study historical crashes, and follow credible financial news. Knowledge helps you make informed decisions and avoid emotional mistakes. 7. Think like Warren Buffett. Buffett once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." That mindset is the key to using market crashes to your advantage. When others are selling in fear, that's your time to buy. Conclusion. The 2025 stock market crash can either be a financial disaster or the beginning of your wealth-building journey. It all depends on your approach. By staying calm, thinking long-term, and investing wisely, you can turn this economic downturn into a life-changing opportunity. Crashes don't last forever, but the wealth you build from them can.